बिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम नहमदुहु व नुसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम इंशाअल्लाह माशाअल्लाह सुब्हानल्लाह. Science has proved beyond doubt that the earth rotates on its axis, creating day and night, and goes round the sun once in every year. Thereby we have so many seasons throughout the year. This is something which is proved beyond doubt, but even then some respected persons also insist that the earth is going round, that the sun is going round the earth, the other way around. One such person is Imam Ahmad Raza Khan Bareilly, and the hero of Pakistan, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, has said in this written statement which you are seeing on the computer screen. He has said that people should do research on this topic because the Imam Ahmad Raza Khan Bareilly Sahab is a learned person and has done a lot of scientific work also. The scientific explanation is 100% correct, but the other person, you can always explain with so many points, but now we have got a beautiful discovery, and that is the physical vision of the stationary sun, stationary in relation to Earth and Venus. Venus, after more than 100 years, it transits across the face of the sun. It transits across the face of the sun, and it goes in a straight line, almost a straight line. And the last time it happened was on 5th and 6th June 2012, about 4 years ago. And it lasted for 6 hours and 40 minutes, and it was visible from Western Pacific Ocean, Northwestern North America, Northeastern Asia, Japan, Philippines, Australia, New Zealand, Scandinavia, Greenland, and other places. As you can see, this is small black ball. This is Venus going in a straight line across the face of the sun. If the sun was moving around the earth, then in 6 hours 40 minutes of transit, the sun would not have been here, and Venus would not have been visible across the face of the sun. It was visible for 6 hours and 40 minutes across the face of the sun only because the sun was stationary in relation to Venus. Venus was the moving object. Likewise, the sun is stationary, so it is stationary also in relation to the earth. So the earth is moving and not the sun. So this is a physical vision which was not possible in olden times. There was a time when the church also objected to this concept, and now a small percentage of learned people might have this concept that the sun is going around the earth. And the sun is a star, and Our galaxy has 100 billion stars, and there are 100 billion galaxies, and each galaxy has got 100 billion stars. And the sun consists of more than 99% of the total mass of the solar system, and it is losing weight. It is 1300,000 times larger than the earth, and it is losing weight at the rate of 4 million tons per second. And like this it will last for another 5 billion years. So God has shown that He has got so much of energy in His store. And it's a lesson for mankind not to quarrel over the sources of energy, but to look at the big heavens and worship the true God and show love and grace to the whole of mankind. Make it a universal concept of life, that the child is born, his soul comes from the heavens to the earth, and when he dies, the soul goes back from the earth to the heavens. So why not make this small life between universal birth and universal death? Why not make this small span of life also universal? So let us stop quarreling. Let us spend more time on acquiring knowledge for peaceful purposes and for making our vision of the heavens and the earth more graceful and broad. And with this, I conclude my speech, and thank you so much.